Well, Haley, we're here today at CES at the IMC Pavilion, and really pleased to be sitting down with Bob from Digi. Mm-hmm. And I don't want to pronounce your last name wrong.
Oh, no problem. It's Blumenscheid.
Blumenscheid, great. So, Bob, tell us a little bit about yourself, and then we're going to get into a couple key questions.
Yeah, so I'm a product marketing manager at Digi. So I've been in the embedded space and the IoT space for some decades now, and kind of seen it grow from devices to the connectivity and the connected device space that it is today.
Okay.
So, excited that Digi is here in the IMC IoT space. We're seeing a lot of activity with people coming from all different directions into IoT.
Very good. Well, you've been in it for a long time, as have I. Tell me, a lot of customers create solutions, they successfully get it to pilot, and sometimes they have challenges getting it to the end. Yeah. What are you seeing in the industry, and how does Digi kind of help them get beyond that?
Yeah. So absolutely, there's a lot of products available to pilot IoT products and things. And Digi reaches from the back into the pilot space and the proof of concept space. We provide production and reliable products that can be used in deployed devices. And with our XP product line, last year we celebrated shipping over 25 million XPs.
Wow.
So we provide development kits where people can build a proof of concept right from the get-go with production-ready products, and then take that straight to production. There's no do a quick proof of concept with some of the maker tools or some of the other tools, and then how do I get this production? So we kind of take a backwards approach.
Kind of production building blocks.
Exactly.
To build out a proof of concept, but then go quickly without that big
Exactly gap. Right. And we bring the services to that right away, so that right from the beginning in the kit, you're working with the services around that hardware. You make a device, you're connecting it, you're deploying it, and then you can see the tools you need to manage, the production-ready tools to manage and build on that into your production environment as well.
So, the world evolves all the time in technology and adoption curves, but today here at CES we're hearing a lot more, big LoRaWAN presence here this time.
Yeah.
Things like Wi-Sun. What's happening in that space, and how do you guys play?
Yeah. So both of those technologies are standards-based, and they're built secure. They've all shipped over 100 million devices. Wi-Sun, particularly in the utility space with metering, and it's a very solid, proven technology, obviously needed to have security built into it from the beginning with IPv6 and secure certificates. So we're taking that with our partner Silicon Labs. We're taking it from metering into IoT. And we're really trying to help customers benefit from that high data rate, long-range technology to build standard-based IoT solutions. And that's what we're seeing, because we've been in the XP business for 20 years. We saw a lot of custom device, custom networking, bring your own wireless networking. And we think the future is these standards-based networking, where you can count on interoperability, both in LoRaWAN and in Wi-Sun. The LoRaWAN is fully integrated into Digi from our acquisition of Haxiat 3 years ago. And it's available, again, to your point, as a proof of concept with our partner SparkFun to very quickly build out very long range, very low power networks, and then take them to production. Okay. But the benefit really there is standards and interoperability for both.
Are these predominantly for like massive scale, smart cities, utilities, metering?
Absolutely. Because of the metering is on the space of tens, hundreds of thousands, it really comes into smart cities where you're doing lights or other devices, parking meters and things, and they can all benefit from the same network that you built.
So on the smart city topic, you guys are highlighting Connect Core.
Yeah.
How does that really play into smart cities?
Well, Connect Core has migrated from embedded devices, traditional embedded devices, which were ship and forget. Build a model, build something and ship it, and the customer, they just keep deploying it. And now the expectation is you provide secure updates, and it's really required with the legislation. Absolutely. So we see that with the CRA and other requirements to provide security, to provide secure updates over the lifetime of a product. And then we've provided an API to make those devices, whatever you're building, whether they're in a bus or in a building or wherever in the city, to connect up into a display and monitor your devices and your buildings and whatever it is you need to monitor there.
So it's really an active monitoring of the deployment and a life cycle management tool for your customers.
Absolutely, and we see it anywhere from buses to coffee machines adopting that.
Well, I keep my coffee machine safe, please.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Well, Bob, it's been great chatting with you here at IMC at CES. I hope you have a great show.
Thanks.
Thank you so much for your
Thanks
time.
for your time. I appreciate it.
Take care.
All right.